What are my top 3 printers for photo printers around $1,000? Stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss this video. Hey YouTube, what is going on? The printer guy here, and today I wanted to talk about my top 3 photo printers for around $1,000. I'm gonna go quickly through this list. These photo printers were selected because they're not the newest printers on the market, but they have been shown to be some of the best photo printers on the market for around this price point. They also have faster printing speeds, so you're not sitting around waiting for your photos to be printed. And as far as all the other specifications, you're going to want to check the links down below. Check the paper size, check the max paper capacity, check all of the different specs down there. You can click the link down in the description below. At any point, you can pause and click those links, and then you can come back and watch the rest of this video. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Alright, so the first printer I have on this list is the Epson XP860. This photo printer is priced around $960. After taxes, you're going to be over $1,000. Now, prices may change as well on these printers, so check those links below to check the pricing and all the different specs on these printers. These are just my top 3 picks that I have chosen based on specifications and my own personal knowledge of printers. Now, if you currently have an inkjet printer that is not printing a certain color, printing blank pages, or you have an overall and general print quality issue, you may want to consider the sponsored product of today's video, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. With this cleaning kit, you can solve that problem, break up the blockage, and get back to printing normally again. The next printer on this list is the Canon Image ProGraph Pro 1000. You have a max printing paper size of 17 by 22 inches, so you can print those longer and wider photos. This printer is priced around $1,250. This is an excellent sturdy printer. It doesn't really have all the other bells and whistles. It is just a photo printer, so that's all you're really going to be getting out of this printer. You might have some other functionality, but this is a dedicated photo printer, and that may be what you want if you really are looking for that higher quality of photos. All right, and lastly on this list, I have the Epson Artisan 835. The Epson Artisans, unfortunately, they don't really make them anymore. This is a newer version. This is a newer model of the Epson Artisan, and is priced around $1,007. Your max printing speed is 9.5 pages per minute. Now, look at all the specs. I said the print speed on this printer, and the last one I said, I mentioned the paper size, photo size that you would be able to fit. And so you can go to the links down below, check out all the specifications. This just gives you some food for thought and kind of gives you a list of my top 3 picks when it comes to photo printers around $1,000. All right, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. But that's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.